Here in Unit 4 of Research and Writing, we will start taking an in-depth look at how to cite sources using the Turabian format. I often hear students say, why do we have to know Turabian? I learned APA or MLA when I was in high school, or when I was at my other institution, we used APA or MLA. I get that. Believe me, I've written papers in MLA and APA. But we didn't choose Turabian for level college because we wanted to be mean and make you write footnotes. We chose it because it is the format used in the discipline of religion. Religion is considered what we call one of the humanities, and in some of the humanities, like history and religion, the preferred format for writing research papers is the Chicago Manual of Style, and Turabian is a truncated version of the Chicago Manual of Style. We wouldn't be in the 9th edition of Turabian if it was just a resource here for NOBTS and level college, I assure you. So I don't want you to get discouraged about that. I want you to learn how to do Turabian and how to do it correctly. So this week you're going to be looking at chapters 15 and 16 in Turabian. Chapter 15 is a broad overview of why we should cite in general. And it gives some examples in the book of footnotes and bibliography entries, which is what we're using here at NOBTS and Level College. But Turabian also allows for parenthetical references and a reference list, which we are not doing. So when you're reading through chapter 15, just know it's talking about why we cite in general. Then chapter 16 narrows that down a little bit. And what chapter 16 does is it looks only at footnote bibliography format, which is the format that we will be using here in Level College. And that's the style you will be using as you write your research paper. So what you'll do this week is you're going to read through chapters 15 and 16. And there's a video in which I pull out the key rules that you will need to know as you write your research paper. For each of those video explanations of the chapters, there's a handout. And you need to have that handout with you. And as you're watching the video, you need to be checking to make sure that the handout is completed according to the expectations or the explanation in the video. Why is that important? Because you're going to be taking a quiz on chapters 15 and 16, and the information on the handouts is going to be very similar to the information in the quizzes. We will let you use your book for the quiz. We will let you use your handouts for the quiz. But if you don't watch the video, you'll probably not do well on the quizzes. So take time to read the chapters. Take time to mark the rules that you hear being explained in the video, and then take the quizzes. Remember, once the quiz is open, you only have 30 minutes to take them. So you won't have time to flip back and forth in the chapters to try to find the information, which is why you need to watch the video and fill out the handout. And then you're also going to be learning the expectations for the format for a level college book review. The book review guide is posted there along with an explanatory video. I would suggest that you download, minimally that you download the book review guide. It's as a PDF, so if you can take notes as electronically on a PDF, you're welcome to do that. If not, you may want to download and print a copy of the book review guide, and then as you watch the explanatory video, you can take notes directly there on the book review guide, because your book review is going to be coming due in a few weeks. And I wanted to give you the information now so that as you're reading the book for your book review, you can be thinking, oh, in my book review, I'm going to have to discuss this issue. And so it will help you as you read the book to be able to read it with an evaluative mindset. I think that's it. So again, we're starting to get into some of the nitty-gritty of the work for the course. So give yourself time to get the work done, and if you'll watch the videos, there's no reason you can't do well on the quizzes this week, and there's no reason you should have any questions about the book review. Let me say one thing about the book review that'll be due in a couple of weeks. The book that you review has to be a book related to your research topic. So if you chose for your research topic, did Jesus die for everyone? Then you're looking at the issue of atonement, particular versus general atonement, or limited versus unlimited atonement. You might want to read a book. You will need to read books dealing with the atonement. One of those can be a book for your research, for your book review. So read smartly. You can get information necessary for your paper, and you'll be able to write your book review. All right, see you later. Bye.